My name is Ashley Richards. I'm Head of Installation at Kingsway Group, focusing very much on installations within the UK. The reason that I was brought into the company was to develop our installation offer to our partners. The reason that we want to do that is based around partner feedback on our products. So our products are getting ever more sophisticated, which means that the installation is ever more delicate, sensitive. It needs to be done the right way around in layman's terms. When we were starting to offer installation as part of a package, we had a small installation team ourselves, 3 engineers. What we've developed now gives us a much broader scope. So in 12 months, we've taken it from 3 engineers making a team to 15 engineers making various teams. All of our installers are covered by the BM Trada Q-Mark scheme for fire door elements, but also for the anti-ligature and the anti-barricade elements. They're covered by our own training program, which is a constant development of new products. And we've got a specific team within a team that focus very much on the alarm systems. Again, industry experts very much taking the lead on developing these products as well. Our partners would, without us offering installation as part of our package, the only option would be to use a third-party contractor. So the third-party contractor hasn't got the vested interest in Kingsway, so that makes a difficult situation for our partners. So yeah, based on the feedback from our partners, is there another way to do it? And there is, and this is what we've been trying to develop over the last 12 months, 14 months. I'm happy to say we're pretty much there in most areas of the country now, where we can offer our products as supply only, if that's requested, or a supply and installation, which for partners that are a little bit nervous on the installation, it's a great opportunity to specify our products, knowing that they're going to be installed properly, and then from an after-sales point of view as well, we can support that with the sort of full knowledge of how the installation was undertaken. As our products become more sophisticated with their anti-barricade features, their anti-ligature features, so they also become more sophisticated with their alarm features. We genuinely feel at Kingsway the only way to install all of these products correctly, properly, and to give our partners the confidence that's done is to take their Kingsway installation option. The standout feature of working for Kingsway is without a doubt the team ethic. Genuinely, everyone is part of a bigger team. What we'll see on a daily basis, if any colleague has got an issue or a concern, something they can't quite work out on themselves, everyone rallies around to collectively think of a solution. And you can feel that from the shop floor in production right the way through to Julian Hall, our MD and owner.